everybody. So I'm back with a new video after a long time. So now we are going to learn how to make surprises for our loved ones. So my first surprise is how to decorate a pencil with some part cleaners. One for myself and one for my sister. Now first we need to bend the pipe cleaner and press it nicely here. I have bent the pipe cleaner like this. So now we will make like a M, then one more here. Now you can see my M. Then we cross it just like a cross. Then we will turn the heart like this. See, my heart is ready. Now I am going to twist it on my pencil. First we need to keep the heart here on the pencil. Then we twist this tightly to the pencil. Then we will do the same step with the other one. Ta-da! My heart pencil is ready. So I'm going to do the same for my little sister. So this is my heart and this is my little sister's heart. Now we will make the second surprise. So now we are going to draw 4 bees. It should not come closer to the tail. I have drawn my bees. Now I will color them. I am using also pastel colors to color them. I am using brown colors for the small gaps and I am using the yellow color for the big gaps. So I have done coloring the bee's body. So now I am going to use yellow ochre to color the bee's face and I am using sky blue to color the bee's wings. I will show you how it looks like. So I have done coloring the bee's wings and face. So now I am going to use the black sketch pen to darken the outer border. So I have, after tracing the sketch with black, I have used dark blue for the wings and red to color the mouth. Now I will write something special on this. How does it look like? Does it look nice? This is my third surprise. I am going to make a watermelon. So let's start. Now I have done drawing the watermelon. So watermelon with pastels, and I'm going to trace the outer border with sketch. And lastly, I'm going to draw the seeds. I have done coloring the watermelon and I have traced the watermelon too. So now I'm going to blend the pink and red here on the watermelon with the help of cotton bud. Now you can see how beautiful it looks after blending. Now I am going to write some message on this and show you when it's done. See the message which I written for you. Hope you liked it. This is my first surprise. This is for me and this is for my little sister. And second surprise is, this surprise is for my whole family. We belong together. And this is my third surprise. And this is for you all people. Thank you for watching the video till end. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye you all.